Yeah, I will recall this witness at a later time. The next witness is Detective Thadeus Shimmels.
Oh, yeah.
Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
If you could please be seated, state and spell your name for the record.
My name is Thadeus Shimmels, Thaddus. Shimmels is spelled Schimmels.
You a detective with the City of Milwaukee Police Department?
Yes, I am.
Assigned to the homicide unit?
That's correct.
Were you working in that capacity in April of 2024?
Yes, I was.
Did you assist in the investigation into the missing person report related to Sade Robinson?
Yes, I did.
Was one of the roles one of your roles in that investigation to canvass areas of the north side of Milwaukee for surveillance video footage?
That's correct.
Did you end up recovering multiple videos that depicted Miss Robinson's car driving in and around the area where it was ultimately burned at 7:30 a.m. on April 2nd?
That's correct.
All right. I got Exhibit 225 up on the screen. Tell us the areas that you searched for videos in.
The City of Milwaukee Police Department was looking at video in the area from North 27th Street to North 35th Street, from the area of West Valete Street to the area of West North Avenue. I ultimately obtained some video from the area of the 32 and 3300 block of West Valete in that area.
Did you also obtain video from a location on North 26th Street?
Correct.
What was that location?
The address was 833 North 26th Street. It was the child care center there.
Okay. That video depicted
the cameras.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. The cameras on the building were facing North 27th Street and captured Ms. Robinson's vehicle traveling northbound on 27th Street at approximately 4:50 a.m.
All right, to orient us, we're kind of looking at the southern part of this map, right?
Correct.
So this is a little glimpse of I-94 here. There's an exit on 25th and Clybourne. Wisconsin Avenue is here, correct?
Correct.
Where is this children's center or the daycare? It would be 26th Street here, and then just around Wells. 26th and Wells. Okay. So it captures 27th Street, even though the daycare is on 26th.
That's correct. The entrance is on 26th Street, but there's cameras on 27th Street.
I'm going to pull up Exhibit
196.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. 196 on the screen here. Just take a moment, hopefully. What are we looking at?
This is a camera mounted to the west side of the building. It is facing westbound. The street in front of the street that's in the camera view would be North 27th Street.
Okay. It's on the west side. It's facing west?
Correct.
Okay. All right. So where's the freeway? Off to the left side or to the right side?
It would be to the left.
And what are we going to see?
What we're going to see is Ms. Robinson's dark blue Honda Civic traveling northbound, which would be from left to right through the camera view.
The date and time stamp, it says April 2, 2024, 4:50 a.m., was this determined to be accurate?
Yes.
I'm going to play clip, the first of 2 clips. Is that it?
Yes, it is.
All right. Are you able to tell anything about the windows?
Yes, the windows are steamed or fogged up. They're, all of them are cloudy. I can also tell that the passenger side rearview mirror is not mounted fully. It's hanging on the side.
Was that something that you were specifically looking for in videos? I mean, was that something you had known prior to your video canvas?
It was developed during the video canvas, but yes, we were became aware that there's those distinctions noticed about the vehicle.
Playing it again. And I'm pausing that video clip at 35 seconds. Timestamp is 4:50:36 a.m. and I'm going to play the second clip. So this clip just picks up where the last one left off?
Correct.
All right, it's 12 seconds long. And that's the vehicle going through?
That's correct.
All right. Are you able to see on this video too whether or not the windows appear to be foggy?
Yes, they are.
One more time. Did you recover video from 3220 West Fleet Street?
Yes, I did.
I'm going to pull up here Exhibit 199. Judge, if I called the 833 North 26th Street Exhibit 196, I was wrong. It is it's marked as Exhibit 202. The sticker says 202. That was my mistake.
It might have been mine as well. Okay, so the last video was 202.
Yes.
Got it. And this one's 199?
This one is 199.
Okay.
What is 3220 West Fleet Street?
The location is a Community Care Incorporated.
And its video cameras face where?
They have a number of video cameras at this location. We obtained multiple exterior cameras that were both along the south side of the location, which is West Fleet Street. And there were some other cameras that were obtained that were captured West Cherry Street to the north of the property.
What camera angles were of note or of relevance to this?
The 2 camera angles that were on the south side location along West Fleet Street.
I'm going to pull up 199. It's going to be camera number 2, the clip ending in the numbers 44000. All right, orient us if you can. Do you want the map? Well, why don't you describe it first, then we'll go to the map.
Again, the building itself is a larger building. This would be located, the camera's on the south side of the building. It's both marked and it's facing in a southwestern direction. The camera itself is specifically titled Velite Southwest. What you see is the sidewalk in front of the building in West Velite Street facing in a western direction. The set of green lights right there would be 33rd Street, and then in the distance you can see red lights of 35th Street.
So this camera is facing southwest, and then there's going to be another camera watching that's facing southeast, right?
Yes.
All right. And the date and timestamp on this one?
It was 1 minute slow to the actual time.
I'd move 199 in.
Any objection?
No.
199 is received.
Now, we had just watched the vehicle coming up 27th Street in this direction, correct?
Correct.
All right, and Velite Street is right here then, correct?
Correct.
So what we're about to see is the car passing by Velite Street minutes after we just saw it on video going north on 27th away from Interstate 94?
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to advance this to 16 minutes and 49 seconds. The time up on the top here says 4:56:49, but that's probably more 4:57:49, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Playing from there. And there's the car?
Correct.
So it went through 33rd Street then,
Yes.
up to 35th?
Correct.
Okay. Is that a red light?
That is correct.
What's it going to do?
Once the red light changes in the distance on North 35th Street, it's going to make a left turn to travel southbound on North 35th Street.
All right, there it goes, correct?
Correct.
Paused it at 18:21. And Detective, just in your experience from driving these areas, is that the approximate time it would take to get from that children's center camera to here?
Yes.
Okay. Going to advance the video to 33:20. Playing from there, this would be roughly 5:14:20 a.m.
That's correct.
And what are we going to see off in the distance there?
The vehicle, I believe it goes, is going to travel.
Turn south there?
Yes, it was traveling eastbound on West Fleet Street, and then it turned south on North 33rd Street.
There's another camera we're going to watch that's going to show that same turn from that intersection, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Going up to 35:15. 5:16:12 a.m.
Correct.
There it is again, right?
That is correct.
Do you know where it came from that time, based on your knowledge of the other facing camera?
Yes, it was actually traveling northbound on North 32nd Street, had turned left to travel westbound on West Fleet Street, and is going to again turn onto southbound on North 35th Street.
So this is its second southbound turn from Velite onto North 35th Street in like the past 15 to 20 minutes.
Correct.
The exact same route it just did.
Correct.
And there it goes. I'm gonna go up to 3830. All right, now the TV's back. We're up to 5:19:28 a.m., Detective?
Actual time, yes, timestamp
Okay,
of
actual time.
5:18.
Okay. Play a brief clip from here. Paused it. Picking it up. All right, there it is again.
Correct.
This time it's going to turn where?
It's going to turn southbound again on 33rd Street.
So the last two times it did this westbound path down Vliet, turning on 35th. This time it's turning on 33rd.
Correct.
Paused it at 39:04. This would be roughly 5:20 a.m., correct?
Correct.
I'm going to switch over to channel 4, or camera 4, clip ending in 4400. All right. Let me advance it to 1632. All right, it's at 1638. Up in the left here, we've got April 2nd. This is going back to that first clip we watched where it's coming westbound on Vliet, but we're just looking at the different angle, right?
That is correct.
And those set of lights down there would be what lights?
That will be Ms. Robinson's vehicle traveling westbound on West Vliet from North 27th Street.
Sorry, I meant the traffic lights. What
I'm
street
sorry.
would that be over there?
Lights in the distance would be North 27th Street.
So if the car had been going north on 27th Street, like we saw in the Children's Center video, all it had to do is get up to Vliet and then make a left-hand turn.
Correct.
Is that what we're seeing here?
Yes, sir.
And then it just comes past on passing 32nd and Vliet.
I'm just going to object to leading questions at this point.
I'll rephrase them.
Go ahead.
I played it from about 1645. Is that the car?
Yes.
Are you able to tell anything about the windows as you watched this?
Yes, the windows appear fogged or steamed up. Again, the rear view mirror on the passenger side is hanging, and the front lower fog lamp is looks not like the other one.
Okay. Next clip is camera 4 ending in 5737. All right, same camera angle, just next clip, and I'm going to advance it to 20 minutes, 49 seconds. Minutes 52. Now you can barely see North 32nd Street there, correct?
That's correct. It's a T intersection there.
What are we going to see the car doing here?
So you're going to first see the street light up as though there's a vehicle there, the headlights of a vehicle that's stopped there. It's going to be stopped there for what appears to be an extended amount of time, just for the fact that there doesn't appear to be any other cross traffic. and then the vehicle come into the camera view just momentarily as it turns left to go westbound on West Fleet again.
So it stops right here, a little off camera, is what you're saying?
Yes.
And you're able to tell that how, even though you can't see the car? How can you tell?
Again, the street will illuminate with headlights from the vehicle itself.
Playing at 2052. You see the lights?
Yes.
And are you able to see the windshield?
Yes, the windshield is fogged and cloudy.
And in this frame, are you able to see the front passenger rear view mirror?
Yes.
What does it look like to you?
It is angled downwards as though it's not fully mounted or damaged.
And that turn was made at around 5:19 a.m.?
That is correct.
Are we going to see the car do the same turn?
Yes.
You're going to advance it to 20 minutes. I think I did the wrong clip first. I'm actually going to go to 17:14. So that was at 5:19. We're going to back up to 17 minutes, 15 seconds. This would be roughly 5:15 a.m.
That's correct.
Okay. Playing from there. What's the car doing?
Again, it's stopped. There is the vehicle that's traveling westbound. And now there's no vehicles traveling east or west, but the vehicle is remaining there for some time before it makes its turn.
Can you see the windshield?
Yes,
What does it look like to you?
it's cloudy and fogged up.
And on the where I have it paused here at 17 minutes, 41 seconds, can you see the front passenger rear view mirror?
Yes, it's angled downwards. It appears to be hanging.
Paused it at 17 minutes, 45 seconds. If I didn't move 199 in, I would do that.
You did 199, you didn't do 202.
Then I would move 202 in.
Any objection?
No.
It's received.
I would, I could go on to the next one, but if you wanted a break here, I'd leave it up to the court. We can keep going.
Maybe one more.
Okay, I
Then we'll break.
have actually a quick one. I'll do that. All right, did you get a ring video from an address on McKinley?
Yes,
What was the address?
the address was 3332 West McKinley.
I'm going to show you what is marked as Exhibit 200. This is a brief clip, right, Detective?
Correct.
Okay. While I pull that up, zoom in here. All right, so we just watched the video of the car going westbound on Fleet here, right?
Correct.
And then we watched it make some southbound turns on the 35th here, correct?
Correct.
And then we also watched it make one southbound turn on 33rd Street here, right?
Correct.
After it made one of those southbound turns on the 35th Street, is that shortly after it goes off camera there? Did you catch it on camera at this McKinley address?
Yes.
Can you, where is that address?
The address?
The address would be located right here. This would be 34th Street.
And these, the east and west would be McKinley Avenue.
That's it. Is that a residential area?
Yes, it is.
Were there any cameras down McKinley that were able to help you?
No other ones that we were able to locate.
All right, so the street, McKinley here, this would then be 34th, right?
Correct.
34th runs into the train tracks, right?
Correct.
Dead end?
Yes, there is a way to get through by an alleyway that would be in between McKinley and Valete, but yes, essentially a dead end.
Okay, so we're about to watch video footage from here facing 34th. Correct. All right.
Is this the video? Oh, sorry, I gotta hit the button.
Yes, that is the video.
Let me get the volume on here. All right, I would move 200 in.
Any objection?
No.
Received.
Off to the left side of the screen would be McKinley.
Correct.
All right, and then to the right side is sort of where that train tracks meet 34th Street.
Correct.
Is this the car right here off to the left?
Yes.
And what time and date is this?
It is April 2nd, 2024 at 4:59 and 29 seconds.
Would this have corresponded with the timestamps from the other video when the car is seen turning off onto 35th Street?
Yes, it would.
Playing the 50-second clip. What'd you observe the car do?
The vehicle had traveled northbound on North 34th Street from McKinley, went to the dead end, conducted a turn to turn itself around, and then slowly traveled back southbound on North 34th Street back to McKinley.
What? I'm sorry, go ahead.
After it made its turn to turn itself around, it traveled southbound back to slowly traveled southbound on North 34th Street back to West McKinley Avenue.
At some point in this video, does it appear to you that a motion-activated light turns on?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna play it one more time. Right there?
Correct.
And as the car passed, were you able to see whether or not the windows appear fogged?
They do.
Okay, I think this is a perfect time to break.
Welcome back, Detective. When we left off this morning, we had finished with a video from the 3200 block of West Valete, as well as a video from the 3300 block north of McKinley. Is that right?
West McKinley, yes, sir.
It was McKinley, okay. And lastly, I got one more video to play with you. Did you obtain video from a gas station at 3308 West Valete Street that depicted Miss Robinson's Honda Civic?
Yes,
Could you tell the jury where that gas station is on the map?
certainly.
For the record, I have Exhibit 225 up on the screen.
West Elite Street is here, and 33rd Street would be just kind of going through the JJ Fish and Chicken, the eye of the fish. It would be located on the northwest corner of 33rd and Elite.
The footage we're about to watch, we see some of these same movements in one of the previous vehicles. Videos, is that correct?
That's correct.
Which video?
The video from to the east of the location from the 3220 West Elite Street, the care center.
I have coming up on the screen here Exhibit 203. Is this the gas station video you recovered from 3308 West Elite Street?
Yes, it is.
I'm sorry, this is 201. I'm sorry. I was looking at the wrong case. Okay, I'd move 201 in.
Any objection?
No.
201's received.
The video is date and time stamped, correct?
It is.
What is the date and time stamp?
The date and time stamp currently on the monitor is the year 2024, 0402, which would be April 2nd. The time is 3:57 and 08 seconds.
What can you tell us about the accuracy of that timestamp?
The timestamp is 1 hour and 1 minute slow from the actual time.
So what would be the real time where we have it here?
It would be at 4:58 a.m.
And what are we gonna see?
What we're going to see in this video is the camera view. It's showing the front of the gas station, the pumps, and right behind that you can see going from the upper left to the right side of the screen would be West Elite, and then North 33rd Street would be going from the left side of the screen to the upper right.
Okay. Is the car gonna drive by like we saw on the other camera?
That's correct. It'll be traveling westbound, going from left to right on Elite Street in a moment.
Playing at that time. Is that the car?
Yes, it is.
Paused at 4:50, it would be 3:57:17 on the screen. So that would be at 4:58 a.m.?
Correct.
I'm gonna advance the video to 4:13. Let me go back. Queued up to 4:13:06, playing from there. You see the Honda?
Yes, I do.
And it's doing what? I paused it at 4:13:40.
At this time, it was traveling eastbound on West Elite Street and making a right-hand turn to travel southbound on North 33rd Street.
The real time of this would be what?
This would be 5:14 a.m.
Advancing the video to 4:15:31, but really that would be roughly 5:16, right?
Correct.
Playing from there. Is that the Honda again coming west?
Yes.
And lastly, picking up at 4:18:46 on the video screen, this would be 5:19, right?
Correct.
Playing from there. And what does it do?
The Miss Robinson's Honda was again traveling westbound on West Fleet and now made a left-hand turn to travel southbound on North 33rd Street.
Paused it at 4:19:06, which would be 5:20 a.m. Detective, is that the last time Miss Robinson's Honda is on video up until 6:50 a.m.?
From my knowledge, yes.
I have nothing else.
Cross?
No.
Thank you, Detective.